Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Snow is a form of precipitation in the form of ice crystals that fall from the atmosphere. It occurs when the temperature in the atmosphere is low enough for water vapor to freeze into ice crystals before reaching the ground. Here's a description of snow. 1. Appearance. Snow appears as small, soft, and delicate ice crystals that can form various shapes, such as hexagonal prisms or intricate dendrites. The individual ice crystals come together to form snowflakes. 2. Texture. Freshly fallen snow has a soft and fluffy texture. It can accumulate on surfaces, creating a white, powdery layer. 3. Color. Snow is typically white, but its appearance can be influenced by various factors. For example, snow may take on a bluish tint in certain lighting conditions or when it contains impurities. 4. Temperature. Snow forms when the atmospheric temperature is at or below freezing, 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The specific conditions for snow formation include the presence of moisture and the cooling of air masses. 5. Variability. Snowflakes can have a wide variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small and simple crystals to larger and more complex structures. The variability in snowflake formation is influenced by factors such as temperature and humidity. 6. Accumulation. Snow accumulates on the ground, covering landscapes, trees, and buildings. The depth of snow accumulation is measured in inches or centimeters. 7. Sound absorption. Snow has the property of absorbing sound, creating a quieter environment when it covers surfaces. 8. Melting. Snow can melt when temperatures rise above freezing, turning into water. This melting process is influenced by factors like sunlight, air temperature, and the thermal properties of the surfaces it covers. 9. Winter sports and activities. Snow is associated with various winter sports and activities, such as skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, and building snowmen. 10. Weather conditions. Snowfall is often associated with specific weather conditions, such as snowstorms or blizzards, which can impact visibility and travel.